Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. This is going to be a template video, and this time I end up making two juice templates. One of them is going to be for this small grape cranberry juice. Now this is 10 fluid ounces. So one of the labels are going to be for this size. You guys, you know you can make this for anything. And the next one is going to be for these. Now you guys, let me tell y'all, I just came into this. Like, I never tried this, never had this. My brother came to my house. He left one of these over here. It was a strawberry lemonade. Let me tell y'all, when I drank that juice, it was so good. Like, I don't know if I was just extra thirsty or what, but y'all, that juice was good. So I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm going to. But y'all, definitely try these. This juice brand is delicious, and it does have like the fruit, like some of the fruit floating in the bottle. Like, you can see it. It's delicious. It's freaking awesome. So let me show you guys what these the labels look like. Alright, you guys, so here we are. I think Jurassic Park was the last chip bag I made, so I just stayed with the template and just made some Jurassic Park themed labels. Now, only thing I did was printed this on regular printing paper, nothing special, and I simply laminated my paper so that it is okay to get wet. It made it, you know, waterproof. Another way to do that is to cover it in like clear transparent shipping tape, but if you do it that way, you got to make sure you do the front as well as the back, so that it is completely waterproof. Now you guys know the measurements for both of these are going to be on my my Patreon page. I will leave the link to that in the description, but you guys know you can customize these for any event, wedding, baby shower, birthday party, sweet 16, graduation. Did I say that already? I don't know. Pretty much anything. You know, there's always drinks at whatever event. There's always something to drink. So both of these will be on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.